Hey fitness enthusiasts, ever wonder how your muscles really grow? Let's dive in. First off, did you know we have over 600 muscles in our body? They make up about a third to half of our body weight. These muscles, along with connective tissue, do the heavy lifting, quite literally. They bind, hold, and move our bodies every single day. Now, muscle activation is where the magic starts. When you decide to move, your brain sends signals through motor neurons, causing your muscles to contract and relax. This pulls on your bones, creating movement. Imagine your brain as the conductor of an orchestra, directing each muscle to play its part. But how do muscles adapt to increased demand? Say you're trying to pull open a heavy door. Your brain recruits more motor units and even other muscles to get the job done. It's like calling in reinforcements to tackle a bigger challenge. Here's where it gets interesting: muscle damage and growth. During intense exertion, your muscles experience microscopic damage. Injured cells release cytokines, which trigger inflammation and the immune response to repair the damage. This repair process, combined with proper nutrition and rest, leads to muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy. However, if you don't keep challenging your muscles, they shrink, a process called atrophy. It's a classic case of use it or lose it. So what are the optimal conditions for muscle growth? High muscle tension, especially during lengthening or eccentric contractions, is key. Adequate protein intake provides the amino acids needed for building new muscle tissue. Plus, hormones like insulin-like growth factor, IGF, and testosterone play crucial roles in muscle repair and growth. And let's not forget rest. Sleep is vital for recovery. Now, factors like age, gender, and genetics also influence muscle growth potential. Young men, for instance, tend to build muscle more easily. A robust immune response can also promote better muscle repair and growth. Lastly, muscle growth is a continuous cycle. Tear, repair, proper nutrition, and rest lead to progressively stronger muscles. It's all about consistency and patience. So there you have it, the animated story of how your muscles grow. Keep challenging yourself, fuel your body with the right nutrients, and give it the rest it deserves. Until next time, stay strong and stay motivated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness insights.